Good afternoon from the Entertainer's Garage. This is my daily X-Type wagon. It's on almost 170k, so I'm going to do an oil change and keep it running sweeter for longer. We're going to use the Motul 5W-30 fully synthetic oil. This meets the Ford spec needed for these 2.2 diesel engines, and we've got a genuine Jag oil filter as well. So nice easy filter to fit. Let's get on with it. I'm going to jack the car up on the jacking point on the sill, and using a Trolley Jack and jack puck to protect the sill from being crumpled by the jack. And then I'm going to put an axle stand on the subframe mount as well, just to support the car. Some people might think, oh my god, you're jacking up on the sill, but using the puck, that protects it from crumpling and sort of stops the structural integrity of the sill being crushed against the jack. So jacked up on the sill using the jack puck, axle stand on the subframe there, and an axle stand with another jack puck on the rear sill there, just to hold it and protect it. And again, the puck that's on top of the axle stand is just cushioning the sill as well. So I want to keep these sills as nice as possible and avoid them from being crumpled and damaged, because we know what Jag sills are like. These bolts that hold the undertray on will come off nice and easy with 15mm. Just put a bit of plus gas on them, just to help them release and not stick into my socket. The later X-Types, 7 ones onwards, had this support brace and these four big 15mm bolts to support the undertray, because the little clips that were on each side there just used to disintegrate and fall out. There's only actually 2 bolts left of the original undertray bolts holding it in. changed the air filter recently when I had to replace the screws holding those little air trumpets on, as they like to come loose. You always hear a 30 X-Type diesel and think you can tell straight away that the air things have come off the airbox. When I put mine back on there, I put another Bosch filter in there, so that's all good.
So that's had about 5 3/4 litres of oil. We're going to run that now, get it on the ground, check it for leaks, and then we'll just top it up.
keeping the fuel system running sweet as well, I use this OKCO diesel additive from Bardahl. Now this one, you simply pop that up, shove it in there, add a shot of it to the tank of fuel. Some people might think it's like snake oil, but the car's on 170k, I want it to get to 200. I reckon it will do it easy. And we just finished things off with a nice little clean and tidy of the engine bay. A little bit of degreaser in there, and then some engine bay dressing. Just makes it look a little bit more presentable. So oil levels checked, that is just right on the dipstick now, and that is done for now. 170,000 mile Jaguar, oil change service done. Let's carry on enjoying driving. Cheers for watching, bye bye.